In this video we want to show you Magnum Double Coconut Ice Cream. This one got bought in a supermarket in Germany and is available in whole Europe. Let's have a look at the packaging first. One ice cream weighs 73 grams and contains 239 calories. Each pack contains 4 pieces of Magnum Double Coconut. Let us open the box now and get them out. Okay, now we are unboxing them. Let's have a bite to see how the ice cream looks from inside. There are different chocolate layers surrounding the center with coconut ice cream. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.